Hey, you got it. Those tires aren't going back. You might as well burn them to the ground. I'm just waiting till like round 2 when the sparks come out, because all the teams are like, I'm not changing those. Light the ground on fire. All right, we got Q2 coming up, right?
Huh?
Indeed. What? We gotta make some of these own counters on track. Oh, we gotta rearrange. All right. Rearranging the floor. Ready to roll. That is sweet a little bit. You can see that? Hi, my name's Andersim. You're pretty. You want to dance? No, okay, bye. All right. That sick entry bonus. No! So all of you chickens that ran away from the gate, all you chickens, I saw that little kid holding onto the fence like, I got this, Daddy, and a bunch of you grown men were running away. Shame on you. Shame on you. That's what captain's all about. I'm going to use that really cheesy line for that really cheesy movie. You're not in control till you're out of control. Alright, that was the end of the solo class. That was not the tandem qualifying. Now we're doing tandem qualifying. Oh my. And wherever they place now will determine the bracket, the top 16 bracket in the nations. Up first we have Harry Tomono, the E36 BMW B Series from Turtech. He's gonna get out there, he's gonna get a little crazy. I see him getting crazy. What do you think? Think he's gonna get crazy? Fuck crazy. He's going to get fucking wild. Fucking wild. Gotta get those tires for him. By the way, let's get him only forgot. That pink car. That is the she's driving that car. Because big girls can drift too. This weather is amazing right now. I would like to thank the weather for showing up. We got a nice good tan line going, and now we're just going to cool off. We're going to watch some sexy drifting, have some drinks, look at some cars.